How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Just getting set up on my end. Give me just a second. So yeah, today we're building a level using a modular lockout kit. I'm typing that as I'm talking. In Unreal Engine, of course. Let me send out the update. How's everyone doing? Doing all right? Hope we're doing well. Yeah, lots to talk about. Done lots on the project, so can give you a bit of an update. Yeah, I'm gonna get rolling in just a moment. So give me a sec. Give me a second. Hmm. Ba-da-ba-ba. Right. Where are we? Okay, that looks good. Yeah, hello. If you're just tuning in, welcome. Don't forget to smash the like button. I'm just getting my stream chat up. There it is. And yeah, I think we are good to go. Let's do this. See you later, gentlemen. We've got some of the weapons in, although the I guess the art's not completely finished, like the materials aren't set up, and I don't know if all the animations are set up yet. So yeah, looks like we've got a basic kind of shoot anim, just the holding it, which is quite cool. Well, we've got some office assets set up. Now we've got the van sort of spawning in here. I've started working on a shelf that uses our metric system, which we've refined a bit further. Our coders put some sounds in and worked on the vehicle mechanics a bit more. We got some temporary or maybe permanent. we got some effects on it now, which is really cool. So yeah, now you can boost, woohoo! Although yeah, those fences are my bad. Placeholder fence things that we need fixed. We got some vehicle controls now. So we got air controls, which is good, and some temporary, well, some vehicle sounds. You know, it's not completely dead, which is cool. I don't know if we got any. Oh, we got the train. Look at the train. Yeah, train is really cool, man. I love it. Very animated. It's freaking awesome. Yeah, buddy. It's going off into the distance. I don't know if it's too quick though. Might want to change that. Anyway, so yeah, today I'm going to be working on building one of the job levels, and getting getting the layout sort of glued, finished. I'll say that. Oh man, yeah, you don't think we're gonna be able to go this fast. Hello? I thought I heard someone join. Yeah. Come say hello if you're here. Definitely heard someone. Right. Here we go. I think for this, we probably want to do like, I don't know, clear out the trees here or something. Depends on the speed that we're going to get. I tailored all the jumps for, yeah, tailored all the jumps for the speed of the truck. So, yeah, let me adjust that real quick. Right, so yeah, one thing I'm gonna do, I was just thinking, if we do having to get loads of air, I think you kind of end up going through here. So, well, okay, I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna close this down. Don't save. Let me just close it all down real quick. I'm gonna just get the latest, so get the latest, and we'll have a look. Cool. It's loading up now. Yeah. Um, all right, let's try that again. So, let me just get this going. So I'm thinking we clear out some of these trees like that. And then what we do is we do a bit of a sculpt here. So like that. And then if I do flatten like that, go of like 200 maybe. Maybe even more than that. Yeah, like that. Okay. So if we go like that, then we can ramp it like this. Cool. Cool. That's good. Right. If I hide the foliage, I thought there was a foliage thing. There must be a foliage. Oh, here. Oh God, where are you? Here. Hide all. It's just gonna allow me to sort this out a little bit. Okay, I think this should probably go like that. And then we can smooth that out a little bit. Okay. So my thoughts are that when you come flying over here, I enable the foliage again. There's a path cut out that you can take that will turn around this way and allow you to keep going. So I probably want to make it more of like a berm. So I'm going to do that. So let me just do like sculpt and then just go whoop, like that. Whoop. And then probably down there. Smoothing that out a little bit. Right. So that brush size out a little bit. Yeah, bring that wall up a little bit so we got more of a curvy berm. Okay, there's only one real way to test this. Got to take the van and we'll do a test drive. I know the title says we're doing a modular thing. We are going to do that. I just want to. I got a bit carried away with this. We're going to work on this. Lots of things to do. It doesn't really necessarily matter what order we do them. Woohoo! Okay, then curve around like that. Oh, maybe that tree needs to go. No, we could just have some fencing around here. Not the sword kind of fencing, you know, like not expecting a couple guys jousting over here. Oh, that's kind of nice. I might have to leave that in actually. I was gonna leave that as a wall originally, so that you'd have to drift round going this way. But that might be quite nice to leave it like that. What happens if I drive over this? Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Got a little shortcut here as well. Kind of my design for the town is I want to have lots of different ways you can go about getting around. It's not like a single path. Bit of a dip in the ground there. Yeah, I much prefer this road how it is right now. So here's the original shortcut. You can go through here. Obviously, you can bounce off the fence like that, and then you can go through this fence, cross through, and then you get to the house. So that's probably going to be like the main route. I guess the story accurate route is that you go following the path. So we follow the path, which, by the way, the path feels a little bit too overgrown at the minute, and there's too many trees. Yeah, that's the correct route. That one there. Yeah, how we doing, Surfy Polcat? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I quite like the new route. Yeah, the new route being off here. Oh yeah, bro, that's cool. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna keep that. Yeah, I might put like a fence there so you can actually just drive through the fence. But essentially, that was an unintentional, not a bug feature. Okay, let me. just do a bit of painting here. So I'm going to put. If I paint that, yes, I'm going to do a whole lot, is it? So we do. I think we need to tweak the recipe for the grass here. It is a bit too harsh, and there are a bit too many sort of trees, but. Okay, let's have a look at the landscape. Let's move that out a little bit. I think some of these trees need to go around the edges. Some of these bigger trees. The taller trees. Okay. Pretty good. Yeah, I could probably just like hand position some of those. This guy, let's just move you off a little bit. Yeah. Okay, quite like that. I think you can also move a little bit as well. Quite a density of trees there. I'm going to move you here. You don't intend them to go off. That's good. Okay. Yeah, there's a bit of paint needed here. Okay, so that's not good either. A side going on there. Okay. Just looks a lot cleaner when there aren't these random bushes growing out of rocks. Yeah, could just be the recipe needs tweaking for the grass a little bit, but it is definitely not the high priority item. So, okay. Quick little bit of a cleanup. Never hurt nobody. Oh, that's so much better. So much better. Okay. Well, I'm going to leave it there because I'll just end up spending an hour painting foliage, which is not my objective today, and it is a lower priority. The high priority is to build a cool level. So, just going to do a quick test right now, see where we're at. Try not to die. That'd be good. That's pretty good. Sizing. That one been primed? No. You're about to prime that bookshelf. No. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, these corridors. I don't think I like the corridor being so small. I think I'm going to go with these as like a minimum height corridor, which is 1.5. Okay. And then for this machinery room that I started building, I quite like the movement. I think our run is too fast. Might expand this out that way a bit. As much as I like this kind of staircase thing, I don't know. It's a bit like um hello, hello, welcome. Doing good, doing good. Or, what kind of game is this? It is an online co-op roguelike, roguelite, and yeah, multiplayer, 1 to 4 players. There's gonna be, oh god, okay, that's it, game over. There's gonna be all sorts of different archetypes and missions that you do, but yeah, you're basically hired as a pest control company, but there's all sorts of creatures and things that make it not just pests, it's more than pests. Yeah, I'm working on one of the levels at the moment, all placeholder at the moment, just doing some level design, getting the metrics direction right, but we're like 3.5 weeks in, nearly 4 weeks into the project, so it's still really early. There's 4 of us working on this. Yeah. I've been making games for. I started modding, and I've been modding for like 15 years, I think, and then I got into making proper levels, like in Call of Duty, Radiant. Yeah, about that long ago. Actually, before that, I was making levels using level editors like Halo Forge and all that. I spent loads of time making levels, but then yeah, properly into an editor like 15 years ago, and then Unreal about 7 or 8 years ago. I think I had a dabble about 8 or 9 years ago, and then yeah, about 7 years ago, got into it properly, professionally. Been working for 6, 7 years in it. Yeah, it's a little bit, a little bit. What about yourself? Are you new, or are you got some experience? Okay, okay. What so before Unreal, what sort of knowledge or like applicable things have you done? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Oh, cool. Well, yeah. No, there's a lot of people on this Discord that mod that make stuff in Unreal, so should be able to find yeah, find someone or some people to work with something if you're looking for that. But yeah, no, it's cool. So you want to stick to like yeah, yeah. So you're sticking to like doing modeling but for Unreal now, or are you branching out to other sort of skills in Unreal? Oh, okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. No, there's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot to learn. But no, once you do learn it, it's really powerful what you can do like in a short amount of time. Like it's really rewarding as well. But no, it's awesome, dude. Yeah. No, no, I do some blueprinting. Like so I made this claymore yesterday, and yeah. it yeah. I basically for this project I do placeholder prototypes, and then the our coder is doing it properly. Um, yeah. Sounds like one of the gremlins set off an explosion down here somewhere. Oh, oh yeah, Discord's not very good. Yeah, it's not you. It's Discord's. They, I think they're just trying to cut costs. So the basically the bandwidth that they give to the networking for like yeah for calls and video is really limited. So yeah, I know. Yeah, there's a big uproar about the age verification stuff, and yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I haven't given them my ID because I don't trust people to hold it securely. Like I don't think people have nefarious um, intentions, but do I trust where they secure that file on the server? No. I've worked for big companies and I've seen how sloppy their like security practices can be, and even in big companies it can just be appalling. So no thanks. What can yeah? What can happen is you get your ID scanned and then they get hacked, and then now it's on the dark web, and then there's some random Bob or James that's bought your identity and set up a bank account, and then makes your life miserable for a year as you have to try and figure things out. Yeah. So yeah, no thanks. Yeah. I don't know how they're going to resolve it if they need to do more ID stuff. Uh, oh, hello, hello. Someone. So you're learning Unreal, and what are you doing to learn? You're watching? Are you reading through the text tutorials? Are you watching videos? Are you following different guides? Yeah. 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 What's going on? What's up, Im? Yeah, doing good. How are you? Wise choice. Like coming here. Yeah, I have that complex where I enjoy playing games, but I often feel like I'm wasting time if I'm not making games when I'm playing them. It's also good to be in touch. Mm. Yeah, the veil has been lifted, so you can never truly appreciate a game, I guess, as a game dev. You always find problems with it. I can imagine it, but no, I don't. Yeah, I know it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. Once you've made a game and you've got a good core framework, you can use that to your advantage for another game. But it's one way of doing it, you know. But yeah, it is trying to. Yeah, you have to try and forcefully fit it into the new shape of the new box. Sometimes it could be quicker to start from scratch, but yeah, depends what you want to make. Hello, hello. What's going on, Square Peg? That's funny. Your name is the analogy I was looking for there. How's that going? Do you not find you're spending more time trying to correct it and fix it than you would if you had just made it yourself? No? Okay. And do you talk about it in the documentation as if it already exists, or do you phrase it in a way that, like, I want this, it should do this? I've never heard of Be Mad, so yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. That's cool. It's definitely interesting. We're building it all from scratch without any AI our game, but it's mm, yeah. Hmm. Mm. Mm. So ready? I think fair enough. Yeah, I think most companies are very pro AI because it means they can get more bang for their buck, and it's all about efficiency, right? Already? Uh, yeah. I mean, I work for a game studio. That makes sense. Yeah. Yeah. Someone asked something about level. What was that? Was that you ready? Saying what level? Oh, I'm building a mission level for the game. I'm working. Yeah. s- yeah. Yeah. He's a bear. And put a what? Yeah, what about it? Why? Well, why is it there? Oh, okay. Oh, you have to ask our artist. Uh, oh, with the statue. Yeah, you get into the art questions here. I'm the designer, so I'm just building stuff. But you should have seen the block out bear that I did. Wait, let me see if I can get it up on the screen so you can have a laugh. But right, where is it? So it's a claymore. So it's a placeholder at the moment, but essentially yeah, if you look here, so actually uh this this that can you see there? Can you see that? That's the original bear, and then he made that bear. So I was thinking I want a grizzly for our park as like a monument for the town because it's like this little village, and that's what he came back with. He made this bear, so I think it's pretty cool. Fits the vibe. That's what we're going for. I was thinking he would stand up, but I guess he's a bit tired. So, anyways, yeah, no, I'm. You go for it. Well, most stuff's interchangeable, so you should be able to watch a tutorial on 5 and then apply it to 4. Different. Ah. Yeah, well, there's different ways to skin the cat. So in Unreal, there's a million ways to do everything. It's up to you what makes best sense for your application. Um, but yeah, along with that, there are engine differences. No, just general selection mode. I just made a modular kit that always very high snap to grid, so I can just yeah do whatever I want. Uh, I should probably put the. What do you mean? Yeah, I made this modular kit to be super grid friendly, so I can just work with it. What do you mean? Oh, well, like this. I just, yeah, hold. Yeah, that was pretty unintentional. But I typically, yeah, I think if you, what is it? I don't know what I did now. I typically move around like I'm flying in no clip. Just you can do that. You can do that. I do it by accident when I fat finger the keyboard. So it's either I did that by mistake. There, that's not good. Well, that's our artist being new to Unreal, and we have to hold his hand. But he's getting better at he's getting better at it. Like these are right, so these props are good. So yeah, might be, might be. Oh, the plant's not right. I'm, I made a construction script that changes it so it's RNG when you play the game. There's different loot that spawns. So yeah. Um, what lasers? Are these? That's AI debug. Yeah. I'm just using just the generic uh, selection mode, but I built a blockout kit for it. So yeah, no, I've built a lot of kits actually, um, and yeah, I wanted to design a kit that um, fit the metrics we wanted. Yeah, yeah, little gremlin. He's setting traps and being a little bastard. Yeah, this is a prototype that I threw together really quickly, and like I'm doing level design, game design, basically design this game, and then I got a friend that's doing all the code. Not that I can't code, but delegating. Uh, it's a bit powerful. Yeah. What's that? Oh yeah, he's enabled some sort of draw for the enemy, and oh, the rectangle. Oh, that's a damage hit indicator. That's part of the first person template. Yeah, and these like nerf things are part of the first person template, and the ammos as well, and yeah, and go here to the main level. Yeah, I mean, eventually it'll be that you just leave in your van, but I haven't added an exterior to the job yet, and yeah, you can't actually complete the job yet. Uh, you players that pretty much you're a hamburglar, yeah. This guy. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean we got inspired by yeah, puppets and South Park and a lot of different games, and this is our yeah, yeah, no, I was thinking North America slash Canada for the vibes here. It's so the town is a separate level, and then the job is another separate level that you load into. Your character persists between them, and then we got a funky train that our artist just put in an animated like. Yeah, yeah, they are. Just don't look too closely. No, they're not. Oh, those ones aren't. It might. I think it's so cool, man. The train. I wonder if I. Okay, no, where are it? Gremlins from Canada. So Gremlins is one archetype, one enemy type, and we plan to have at least 8. But it's probably I've written down about 15, but I'll be happy about 8. But yeah, so yeah, the town's gonna have like lots of. This is where the main hub of the game's going to be. There's going to be some more persistence here. Lots of little jobs you can do. There's going to be a sheriff. There's a police station or sheriff department with yeah, some police that yeah, collision definitely needs fixing there. Yeah, shit. I don't think when the train track was implemented, it was scaled. So yeah, it's like this whole game has been handcrafted and bashed together in less than 4 weeks so far. So we've got yeah. What's that? Uh, it's all it's all over the place at the minute, but yeah, we want to. Well, basically the mechanics we want to have it drifting. So you can just race around, drift. How you saw the train animated with like the body like the body morphing, is kind of the vibe we're going for on all moving things. So essentially, that's what I'd love for this game: is all characters, all animations, all to be like overly expressive, like Tom and Jerry, and yeah. So there's quite a bit to do there. It should be good. Where are my cylinders? Are these things? Yeah, you know, it take me like 10 minutes to build a little room like this, and then I play it and see if I like it or what I do and don't like about it, and then I'll take it from there. So I'm doing a very much a very like iterative workflow here. So oh, okay, I've seen it, not played it, but yeah, that's cool. Yo, how we doing, Gixer man? Yo, dude. It's like the Canadians in South Park, yeah. You lost me. What are you doing for your level? Like, well, I haven't. I should probably open up your game and have a look. Your stream, I mean. But so yeah, Netim, your game. What is it? What is it about? Like, does it? Okay, just a minute. Yeah, yeah. That's cool. Controller support. Controller support. Hmm. I know the RP stuff, but I don't know what NoPixel is. Okay. Hmm. Nice. It's a whole game. My God. Yeah, but there's a lot of systems that need to be made to make that work. So yeah, good luck, man. That's just, yeah, busy, busy. Where's the echo? Oh, Luna. I think I saw your project like 5 months ago, and I've not spoke to you since. Is this the walking simulator thing? Yeah. No? Oh, dude, this looks just like what someone I saw 5 months ago. That I was like, "What are you making?" He was like, "A walking simulator." And I was like, "Okay, what's that?" Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. It's not. You're not who I thought you were then. Can you walk in this game? Oh, okay. Trying to trying to con people into buying your content. I see how it is. Okay then. Nice. What are you What are you making here? Ready, Boxy? It's a fan game. What what are you a fan of? Oh, okay. I feel like I recognize that character, but I don't know what the game is. Okay. What's the yeah Luna? Um, what's your FPS? You know, what's your in-game FPS like on this? Yeah. What about with like two? What is it with all the lights at night? Yeah. What's your stat FPS? I'm not judging you. I'm just curious. Like, I'm not. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it looks really cool. Looks really cool. So what did you made, or have you made all the assets? Okay. And how long have you spent on this project? Yeah, that's fair play. Yeah. What's does anyone know where they moved the strict box selection option in 5.7? No, I feel like they removed it, man. Strict box selection. I've spent a while looking for it and it's gone. So I don't know. It's in, yeah, it's buried in the settings and you can set a hotkey for it, but it's kind of annoying that it's gone. But what it is in the top-down view. Um, when you go to select something with the marquee tool, it will select anything your marquee happens to touch. Whereas strict box selection only will select things that it fully encompasses. So it makes it more useful to select stuff using the marquee tool. No, it's not removed per se. It's still there and you can access it by setting a hotkey. But you used to be able to click on the cog in the viewport, go down, and then, yeah, like toggle it here. But it's, if you know where it's gone, I would love to know. I just feel like I've been through every single little thing like 5, 6 times. Yeah, you can't even enable it in the settings like as a toggle. You've got to set up a hotkey, which is really dumb. Let me Control Shift asterisk. I think they've actually broken how it works as well. Because, oh no. Some a man that's been suffering. Yes, I feel it certainly is made for Windows. Like I have a friend that's only a Mac user and he's our audio guy, and he just had a nightmare trying to get it working. So I actually had to fire up an old laptop and set up the project on there, and now he's able to actually work on Unreal on the project. But oh, well, yeah, don't know. He's getting all sorts of. Oh, it's a good question. I think it's got quite a performant one. Why do they put silicon in the name? Isn't silicon in all chips? Why are they calling it that then? Where's the silicon word coming from? Yo, Wasabi, how we doing? What's going on? Brokey's up. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I got a 2 GB line, so I'm in England. Oh, yeah, you got a 2 gig up, 2 gig down. Yeah, and like, yeah, I don't keep stuff installed anymore unless I need it. Hassan, hello. 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 Planet Earth. I'm from the Eurasian plate. No, Eurasian plate. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. Decided to get some better weather. Wait, don't. What do you mean? You just need to throw IRL. Well, how else are you meant to throw, bro? Do you want to press a button to throw something? That's the whole point of VR. don't know. Why is someone whispering into the microphone? It's very confusing. Or are you just thinking out loud and it's escaping out? Okay. How we doing? Yeah, doing good with Tubby. Powerful. Hello, hello. Hello, ready there? Hello, hello. Oh, ready. Yeah, buddy. Um, when I have to. What's your query? Wait, what? Depends on your. That's the problem with VR games, right? Depends on your release platform because it's not just like Windows, Mac, Linux. You've got like a bajillion different devices to cater to, so it depends on their capabilities. You know, are you making room space? Yeah, I don't even know what that means, but yeah, it depends. I know, but I haven't followed every little version and thing that's happening. I've got a Vive Pro, and so yeah, I can talk in terms of that. Dude, the first generation Vives, bro, like I feel bad for you. Like the difference in quality has just gone like insane. So yeah, I don't feel bad. That's dope. That's dope. Yeah, no, I just was thinking back to I only played a demo thing at some like convention using an original, and it was like comparing like a Game Boy Color screen to like an Xbox 360 screen. Are you okay? Do you need to see a doctor? You see in darkness for? Hmm. I don't know what to recommend. I do love VR, but I really hate how to play a VR game you can't just like press a button and play. You have to like charge things. You have to make sure you know that it all turns on properly. Then you have to wait. Uh, yeah, playing VR is a pain in the ass, but once you are in, it's amazing. Um, see, oh yeah, I don't know what that means, Brocky. But how we doing? What's up? Yeah, no, I get that. I'm a little bit of a germaphobe, so I wouldn't ever want to play things that. Yeah, that's sure. Yeah, I would imagine so. But yeah, I'd have to know for sure, you know. I don't know, Brocky. I feel like that's a lead up to a terrible joke. I don't even know what that means. I feel like the joke didn't hit me because I'm too dumb to know what that means. The PMS. I read that as piss myself. Oh. Okay, okay. I'm too dumb. I don't even know what that is, to be honest. I've heard the term before, but I've never looked at it. Yeah. Wait, what? Uh, Good question. I think day 3. Yeah. Okay. For the yeah. It just got destroyed. I don't. Or do I? Oh,
You're
it's not
literally
now.
laughing. It looks like you're laughing to yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good job. I forgot to enable the sound. So
No, it's probably smarter
oh,
because
it's enabled
I
now.
am an
Everyone can hear
Aussie.
you.
I am an Aussie, and it is a part of my religion to be vulgar. So
It's all good.
Huh?
I have Aussie friends. Well, calling them
Australian
friends is a strong term.
Yeah, we're not friends. So I don't know.
Acquaintances.
It is doing it, but it's not showing it? What? I'm confused. So this works.
Hmm.
It's funny that different countries use the same words for the same language, but can have entirely different meanings.
You mean like the word faggot? I mean,
What the fuck?
serious. In
I
UK,
wasn't
it's
thinking of
a,
that word.
You mean
Move.
like
in the UK, it's
quote
a cigarette.
unquote?
It's a cigarette in the UK. That's all I'm
No,
saying.
it's not a
That-
cigarette.
It's not. That you're talking
That's a
about a
fag.
fag. Yeah.
okay, then that's. Well, we say fag short
It's
for faggot
like
in the
the
US.
vampire.
At least we did a long time
Well,
ago.
yes.
So
I think it's a type of food in Scotland.
That's my confusion. I'm sorry about that.
I could be wrong.
Just says the F word. Now he's just gonna soon drop the R word.
Dude, there's so many F words though. I mean, you can't just say, "Oh, use the F word."
I was thinking of the
I
C
mean-
word, to be honest, because yeah, it's like saying hello in Australian.
Or you can't.
Yeah,
you doing?
exactly.
So many Australian friends here in Japan, and I've become so desensitized to that word. To the point where I go home, I'll say it to someone, and they'll be like,
I spend every day talking to an Aussie friend of mine that I would use that word every day. in
Mate,
my
we're not
language.
friends. We're acquaintances.
And yeah, people like around me IRL would get visibly disturbed by it, and I was like, "What are you talking about? Like, calm down, mate." But yeah, it's just
Yeah, it's just a word. Like, get over
Follow me.
yourself.
it's funny that, isn't it? How like expelling some gas out of your mouth in a certain way can get you in trouble, but it's just like it's a certain frequency coming out of your face that can get you arrested if you say the wrong thing.
Well,
Just
literally, mate. In Australia, you can literally get put in jail for saying "from the river to the sea."
I don't know what that means. Sounds
Like that phrase.
yeah.
That phrase. Yeah.
What is that even supposed to mean? To be honest, that sounds some.
So
It has
there's
different meanings to different people.
There's an ocean, and they're saying that they want Palestine to be from that river to that ocean, that all that land is supposed to be theirs. Yeah, Israel's. And this is just me explaining it, not me agreeing or disagreeing with it.
do I have
This still
to
makes me
leave
very
this
confused.
Discord now?
What is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna step back from the political conversations. So
Politics
It's
is
like,
I'm mostly neutral.
What was
with-
the topic actually?
It's like Bambi's here. Like Bambi just suddenly joined the
How
chat.
did bro found out where I
started
am?
Talking about.
he's busy making
A
soup.
dude found me. Holy shit!
Nice.
I'm scared.
Love the context there. That's great.
Yeah, great context. I knew exactly what you were talking about.
So this one time I went to the shop and then the
Do you like
Somebody
mute
shoot the
yourself
camera?
and then start talking in stream? So what happened?
no. I was just proving
Oh,
a
you
point
just
there.
you're making fun of him. Nice. Yeah. Gotcha. Man. Actually, haven't done any work on my game this week.
What game are you making?
The I showed you the Crazy Taxi Simpsons Hit and Run
Oh, yeah.
delivery trailer game.
How's it going? You haven't done anything since we spoke.
I mean, I've done stuff since we've spoken, but like, I haven't done anything this week.
Mm-hmm.
Just been, I've kind of hit like
A wall?
an energy wall.
Hmm. So how do you write stuff out, like what you need to do?
Like a GDD.
No, just like make lists of like things left to do.
Yeah. Yeah, I do. I know what I need to do. It's just like I fucking hate it. I just
What
want to.
I would say is,
I just want to like make something. Like I'm always getting distracted by like different stuff. Like, oh yes, let's make a Souls-like RPG. Yes, that sounds like a great idea. Yes, and then I have this game that is like literally end stages, like almost ready to be shipped. I just cannot finish it.
bro, just stick to your driving game and like take like 2 or 3 bullet points off your list, and like if they're too big, break them down into smaller points. Just like have 2 or 3 things and just fucking get them done. Say I can't leave my desk till it's done and focus on getting them done. And that's how you should do it, bite size, man. You can't eat a whole cake in one sitting, but you can you'll start with a fork, bro.
Chop it up. Yeah.
That's it. Take a slice at a time.
Yeah.
You're looking at what's left. You're looking at the whole cake. It's you're gonna be demotivated.
Yeah, you're not wrong, mate.
Actually, that's what I did for literally like 3 days ago. I took every single thing that we need to do for this prototype, wrote it out into like a definition, and then came up with this gigantic list of things, features, broke them down into for each person, and then into different milestones. It's like weekly milestones. So we got a good idea what needs doing, and it definitely helps you helps you forget about a load of stuff that you can think about later and not worry about. Focus on things.
Yeah. Yep. No, I agree. You're right. Yeah, I need to do that. You're right.
What are some of your things that you need to do? Well, what's stopping you hitting ship
UI.
it? UI.
Design UI, yeah. Like I have like prototypes. Yeah, like making the menus look more
Less crap.
like sort of color coded.
Yeah.
Because like I just have like a basic sort of just like a basic menu pretty much. It's and yeah, also like taking photos and recording a trailer, shit like that.
Yeah, you're fucked. You might as well give up.
Yeah. It's funny, I'm that close.
I'm kidding, bro. You can do it.
I know I can do it.
Little bites,
It's just
bro.
like, yeah.
If you truly are just little bites, man. If you truly are burnt out, go outside for a walk and then come back.
Yeah. Yep. It's a good idea. Touch some grass.
Yeah.
Well, I play AFL anyway, so like yeah.
What's A for?
What's A for?
You said you play A for. Maybe I misheard you.
AFL,
Oh.
like Australian Football League.
Oh.
Aussie rules football.
Is that soccer?
It is not soccer.
Wait, what the fuck is Australian football, right?
It's called football.
It's
American
it's
football.
like it's higher skill ceiling than soccer or
Okay.
or American football.
What,
It's
do you use
kinda
your
like-
hands or something?
You do use your
Wait, you
hands.
use your hands? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Have you seen Gaelic yet?
Isn't that what people in Wales speak?
No, like Gaelic football. You've seen it, yeah?
No.
You live in the UK and you've never seen Gaelic football.
I mean,
Isn't Gaelic football like the start of actual soccer?
I don't know.
No, it's the combination of like soccer and football.
Yeah, but wasn't that like Gaelic sounds more like older?
Well,
Okay, yes, Gaelic is a language. Yes, you're
Yeah, I
correct.
know. So it's like
hang on a minute.
language.
What about
language.
netball? Why would you make a different football when there's netball?
What?
Seems a bit
Right.
excessive.
I what?
The sheer confusion, I know.
Like net? What do you mean? What do you mean net? Like, okay, sure, I know what netball is, but like, how does that? I'm trying to understand your question.
It's okay.
No, but, like, what is it? What is it? What is your question? Like, what's the
What?
point of Aussie rules football if there's already netball?
Yeah, it just sounds the same thing. You're like holding a
No,
ball.
we play with a it's similar
Jesus
shape to a rugby ball.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
It's not really a ball then, is it? It's like a lump.
Well, it's a pig's bladder traditionally. Yeah.
Jesus, yeah. A wonky
You
rock.
kind of have to see it. You kind of have to see it.
Okay.
It's the most dangerous sport in the world.
What? Like cheese? Wheel of
Depends
what do you call
you
it? Cheese
define as
running?
a sport, I would say.
Cheese rolling. I
Cheese
mean,
rolling. Yeah.
In terms of injuries,
It's more.
it's the most dangerous.
Oh no way. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to sign up. No,
I mean,
I'm good. All right. I injured myself getting out of bed, so I think I'll be all right. Don't need no
yeah,
more
you're
problems.
fucked. You're fucked, mate. How old are you? Like 30, 35, 34?
32.
And
Yeah.
32, and you're fucked getting out of bed, and you're just having kids now, mate. You cunt's fucked. Honestly,
Might as well give up. No.
Yeah. like it's gonna be
Like-
a hard life for you, mate.
I already play life on the hardest difficulty, so
Right.
oh no.
Howdy, folks.
Around.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Oh, sweet hypercar, rather prototype car.
Yeah. You what?
Super sick LMP2 car. This is what happens when I join. People leave.
Well, think about that if I were you.
I don't mind, to be honest. If I could leave, I'd leave.
I left, but just mentally a long time ago.
Yeah, I know. I'm watching your stream. Actually, like both of them. So
Why are you watching both?
because I can.
Wait, why have I done a...
Procrastination.
Wait. Are the claymores not set up as fucking hair triggers? Oh. That makes more sense now.
Oh, that one worked.
Yeah, I gotta select them all and then set these up as hair trigger like that. Yeah, should probably just write Claymore on it instead. No one knew what I fucking meant when I called it hair trigger. Like, to me, it makes sense.
Wait.
It's like,
Just call it a tripwire.
it literally blew up as you spoke there, so I didn't hear a fucking word you said.
It's
What?
a tripwire.
Tripwire, okay, yeah. No, it was originally the exploding barrel, but
Okay.
I was like, barrels don't make sense to blow up like that.
Yes, they do. Red
they-
barrels explode all the time.
Yeah, but you usually you gotta fuck with them. You can't like just walk into it and it's just like, you looked at me funny, you're dead.
Nah, come on.
Look,
It's not realistic.
that's the one hazard that I didn't set up, and this is how Crane set it up. You walk into it, nothing happens. It takes a certain force. Cue the blowing up. There we go, and then it blows
There you
up.
go.
Didn't hurt me though,
Nice.
actually. But yeah, you drive over it.
It
Well,
didn't even hurt you, yeah.
no, and I was like, oh, I like the mechanic, but no one's gonna walk into a giant red barrel. I love that they set them up.
Yeah.
They need more expressive animation. That's been my like one bit of feedback.
Yeah,
And
that's insane.
so we will get that. Have you seen the train?
Mm.
In fact, while we're doing that, I'm just gonna.
Yeah, just fly.
You know our train.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, right. Nice. Yeah, it looks
So
good.
he's getting the memo now on the kind of animation style that I want to go with, which is like kind of
Kind of wonky.
yeah, wonky donkey, like
Walkie balky. Yeah,
Tom and
gotcha.
Jerry kind of vibes.
Yeah. Yeah.
What
Gotcha.
the fuck? I'll park there, mate. Get out of here. So, big question.
Have you got a boost button?
Oh yeah, got a boost button now.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Nice. Love it.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, sorry. Good question.
Oh fuck.
What was your question? Yeah.
Do I make the strip club have an interior?
I reckon you should make it a troll interior.
You walk in,
So,
like,
like,
strip mines everywhere.
Yeah, or just like super like make like
Oh
the
my
front,
God.
like the foyer, make the foyer like really sort of inviting, but then just like through the side entrance, it's just like nothing there.
Or make it really inviting, and you go through the doors where it says like, you know, only 18 plus only, and then as soon as you walk in, there's just a pit. You fall to your death.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Literally.
Maybe we can do that. I did want to keep this game kind of PG for the ratings, and but I was going to cut the club or make it like super like, yeah, pacified or whatever you want to call it. But I do,
Yeah.
yeah, have to play on that. Basically, there'll be no dancing adult puppets.
Of course. Yeah. But yeah, like people who aren't like kids are gonna play this game.
Oh
Like,
yeah,
what's the
no, my
intended audience? I guess is
intended
it teen?
audience. Yeah, intended audience is anyone from teens upwards. But
If
I
that's
guess
the case, I wouldn't even put it in the strip club. I mean, if it's supposed to be tame, you don't want to be putting something like that in it.
I mean, you got strip clubs in GTA and teenagers playing GTA. So
It's supposed to be 18 plus.
okay.
It is.
What about Roblox?
18 plus mature.
There's strip clubs in Roblox.
That's user created Roblox. I wouldn't count because Roblox is just a development platform.
Yeah.
Online
no, yeah, fair.
experience may vary, etc., etc.
User experience may vary. Is funny.
Yeah, no, I don't actually want any adult themes in here. I don't know how close I can get to the line where something might look like that. But there's not actually anything
I think
there.
I'm just aiming for teen, like PG-13, and just leaving my phallic park in.
I think fuck the club. If I can't have a casino and it be teen, then I've got to just fuck off the age rating because I want to have a casino. Maybe they'll be like, no, you can't have a casino. So I might as well just go all out and have a strip club, dancing puppets.
But yeah, definitely do the trick, like the trap club.
Trapdoor. Oh yeah, trap club.
Yeah.
Play some trap music. People don't get the memo. It's their own fault.
Yeah. Or it's like ear rape.
Oh god,
in the
imagine.
pit.
Oh, that was my first thought, and then I forgot about it. But imagine the, you know, the YouTube channel with the what's it called, bad flute songs, like the Titanic. But it's
yeah.
like, yeah.
Yeah.
Just do bad flute, but EDM.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
It's pretty funny, not gonna lie.
I need to fix this fence.
Love it. Oh no.
Yeah, he fixed the collision on the vehicle, which means that yeah.
Oh, sad face.
So I need to change the fence now.
Well, I guess you're just gonna have to switch to my method, which is the linear dampening.
Yeah, nah.
I'm just joking.
We got vehicle controls now. Woohoo.
Oh, nice.
Like
Yeah, I got
when-
vehicle controls. Like midair. It seemed imperative considering I have that many jumps in my game.
Yeah, we've got a few more since we last spoke. If I can
Yeah.
make it across this track because the collision's wrong. Oh god. There we go.
Yeah.
Got a new area. This is the farm. It hasn't really been worked on.
Oh, yeah.
I placed like 5 cubes and painted some dirt, moved some trees, may
Nice.
have planned it, but yeah. It's gonna have a wicked sick jump here, so I'm not gonna
Oh,
go
yeah,
very
nice.
fast because we're not meant to be able to go this fast, but I want to have an achievement that jumping
Oh.
over the train.
Yeah, nice.
Alright, I'll need to test this actually. Apparently the vehicle rolls over. No, I'm not seeing it. Wait, what?
I just have a reset button.
What are you doing?
Just having a good old time.
I love it. Why am I jumping? Everything's fine. One thing I would love to do is when you play co-op, I want to have a switch seat button that allows people to go onto the roof. I think that'd be so funny, like when you're playing and people
Oh,
can
shit. Yeah.
maybe have a switch onto the roof and then Literally every vehicle
Jump
is fucking
Spale off.
every vehicle. It seems is like I've just like ditched them in places. Yeah, but on on the roof you can just be dancing and do whatever. But then now I'm just thinking like literally maybe I should just make it so it teleports you on the roof, so you're not actually on a seat, and you might get yeeted off. It'd be more. That'd be even funnier.
Mm.
Yeah.
I don't know, mate. To be honest.
So, fuck around, find out. Figure out later. It's a problem for IceGrenade in the future. I need to open up some Google, and show me some industrial interior factory from the 1980s. Yeah, this is the one thing I don't like about AI is Google Images is now polluted with generated stuff. So like when I'm looking for references, you don't know whether you're getting a real image or a generated image sometimes.
Yeah.
It's like impossible to tell.
Yeah, the internet's getting kind of stupid that way, isn't it?
And the result of that is that now everyone's going to be making weird random shit. And then that's going to be used to train the data. And then soon, like, real life won't exist. It would just be like an abstract version of it. Like you and me would just be like blobs. How we doing, TP? What's going on? Making a 2D mobile game? Nice.
Sorry, I zoned out.
I did as well, don't worry.
Yeah.
Joystick controls while using a finite state machine. About the FSM. That's too technical for me. Yeah, that's too technical for me. I don't know how to answer that. Are we doing Dizzle or something?
Why can't you make the club a nightclub? With a pole, etc.
Oh, with a pole, like a dancing pole. Yeah, we should have that. We might as well go for it. Let players dance now. Yeah, maybe times get bad and you need to earn some money so you can go to work. No, there's a line, and maybe that's within the line. Oh, I don't know. No, question was, hey, I'm making a 2D mobile game with a joystick controls while using a finite state machine. Do you think that's the best way to go, or without the FSM? What's FSM? The finite state machine? What's a finite state machine? Is that like
well, it's a state machine that has an end. It doesn't loop. Yeah.
I've probably done stuff like that before. I've got my head in design. What are we talking about here? I've not set up a state thing machine.
I use Logic Driver for my state machines, so I find that's more helpful. I don't use base Unreal Engine state machines.
What he said.
Well, it's not really an answer. It's just like, buy this, it'll be easier. It's not really solving any issues.
I live my life trying to avoid issues.
Yeah.
So for that reason, I'm out. Goodbye.
All right.
I'm
Goodbye, mate.
kidding.
Take care of yourself.
I'm very happy here.
Just turned into a big convo between you and me, mate, and everyone else left. / no one else is talking.
What, they're listening. They're like, what the fuck are these crackheads talking about?
Yeah,
Well,
my kids
we're
are
enjoying the conversation.
loud little fucks.
Keep going, keep going.
Sounds like you're on Dragon's Den.
That's that's where I got it from. That's where my mind went.
There used to be a gaming store near my house called the Dragon's Den. Wasted so much money on Magic the Gathering there back in the day.
Nice. I know what an angry dragon is.
Sounds inappropriate for streams, but I'm kind of curious to ask what that is. But actually,
I won't tell it. I won't tell you.
Yeah.
It'll 100% get age restricted. This stream.
okay.
Yeah, won't do it.
Let's revisit that another time.
Yeah. At another time, I'll tell you.
Sounds
Off
good.
stream.
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Howdy.
Howdy do, partner.
Doing great, partner. How's it going? On your side?
How's it going?
Is it going well?
What's till you got here?
It's-
Okay. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
What's that? I didn't even. I
Oh.
didn't even register what you just said, mate.
He said, how's it going? I said, it was good till you got here.
Oh yeah,
Alright,
right.
I'm gonna bounce for a bit. Take care, guys.
Man, you just get
I'm
comfortable.
offended him.
Later.
See ya.
Yeah. Can't help it.
Yeah.
But I have these thoughts about funny stuff to say, but sometimes it's too much for the stream, so I just laugh to myself and no one hears, and I just look like a lunatic. But yeah. I can tell you though.
I have to build a clock, and I kind of don't want to.
Oh.
So does that mean I'm a pussy?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it depends how you
Yes.
swing.
So-
Absolutely.
No, I mean I'm responding to your DM.
No, you called me a cunt, so I was like, yeah.
Oh yeah.
No.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Time is it?
Yep.
10 p.m. I'm gonna go AFK for a bit.
Almost
Need
like a
to
10
go to the store and grab some food.
10 p.m.
Oh.
I'm in Tokyo.
Oh, nice. Yep. 9 p.m. for me.
Okay, I'll be back.
Peace.
All right, mate.
What is the smaller unit of seconds?
Milliseconds. Nanoseconds.
Thank you. Yeah, I could not remember that term. I only remembered nano.
Oh.
Yotta seconds, I think, is also something.
You broke my brain, Dizzle. I don't know what you mean. Lol, though, it back for some change, yeah. I've read that sentence about 10 times and now my processing unit's crashed. IceGrenade has stopped responding.
So, I would like our opinion on something.
It'll cost you, but go for it.
So I just made like a video now. I'll send it if we can like help me to review it and tell me what to think about it. Is that like 3D modeling time lapse video. If you can just check it out and give me your opinion on what I can do better. I'm trying to create content, like get into social media. So
You're gonna have to talk slower, mate. I can't.
I have not understood a single word.
okay, all right.
Like
So-
I understood half of it, but like when you speak quickly, it's kind of harder to follow.
Did I hear my name somewhere in there?
No problems. Okay, I'll talk slower. So I made a video.
Okay.
I screen recorded myself and 3D modeling some art surface assets. So so I just finished editing it right now. So I want like our honest opinion on it, whether you would watch this kind of content, what you think I can
Well, the
like,
answer is
improve.
no, because I don't really watch content because it distracts me. Not because it was be bad. You probably make good content. But yeah, I'll have a look. I'll give you my opinion, which is probably worth nothing. But yeah.
No problem. Anything you can say, no problem. I'll send it to and compress it.
Just go live here and play on your screen. I don't open videos and files from people on the internet. Even videos. Yep. I'd watch a YouTube link. That's about it. Too many fishermen in the world. And women. I'm going to go completely off the rails here. That was not a pun intended. I'm literally building a rail. But I am going to scrap all metrics just to build idea stuff for this level real quick. What are you talking about?
All right, mate. I'm gonna go because honestly,
Bad
your
enough.
voice is annoying the shit out of me. So
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, mate.
Starting to sound like my wife.
No.
Okay.
Ah,
I'm kidding.
shit. Nah. Have a good one, mate.
Doesn't sound
Take
like
care.
it. Peace.
I'll lurk in your stream, mate.
Oh, okay. Sounds great.
You.
Don't like this. Looks Yo, video guy, are you streaming yet? Well, I'm to video guy.
Oh, I'm a video guy.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm watching your stream right now. Yeah, I can. Oh
Are you
I can hear me.
you made a video?
Yeah.
Well, send it, bro. Or play it or something on stream.
Alright.
I hear myself through your microphone. Sounds beautiful. This video guy. Now, Eagle, on the Discord, just like share your screen on Discord and show the video.
Yeah, I think that would be better. The video is kind of slow.
Oh, okay. I heard a bloop. Right, let me have a look.
About to start.
Yeah, press play.
2, 1. So I drops. He is well.
It's a turbine. I think it's too long for what it is. I see this being probably interesting to another artist, but I'm not an artist. So, not personally interested. I do find some Blender edits like the Blender edits that are literally like blowing your mind with like some crazy tool that they use and does some crazy thing. That sort of thing, like, yeah, I can watch that. But if it's just watching like a time lapse of someone making something, unless it's something like obscenely insane, I'm not your target audience for it. But maybe. Yeah. Pretty cool though. But yeah, I think probably the wrong person to ask about that. If I knew what I was talking about, I'd have 1 million subscribers, and yeah, I don't yet. No. No, good stuff, man. Yeah, best thing to do is just keep making cool stuff and put it out there. Best way to figure out something's good is just chuck it out there, see what happens. Sometimes, you know, that Yeah, sometimes the algorithm picks stuff up, and
Yum, yum, yum.
I could be talking shit. And it could be really good.
Thanks.
I definitely am talking shit, by the way. Yeah. It's a little funky bit of music here. I like this. What's going on here? I missed out on golf last night. Ended up playing it. Oh man, golf with friends. I was working on this project. I thought, oh, do you know what? My wife was doing bits around the house, like, you know, almost like kind of like bedtime, you know. But I thought I'll just hop on the PC and do a few little bits before I go to bed. And it was like, I don't know, 10 p.m. It's quite tired, quite a long day. Stayed on here working until bloody 2 a.m. last night. Just got fucking glued to the screen working on things. But it's the thing about game dev, man. It's fucking, it's a lot of fun, so be prepared to get
Stupid question.
fucking
60 milliseconds is 1 second, right?
no
100.
no
Yes.
no 1,000 milliseconds is a second.
True. True.
60 milliseconds is less
That's like
than
the
a
most American
10%.
thing.
It's
That's
like
the most American thing to say. 60 milliseconds of 1 second.
60 milliseconds is 6% of a second.
I once saw a video of a person saying, yeah, like American or European seconds.
How does that work?
Okay,
Yeah, well,
so 1,000
because
milliseconds
of
is
the
1
metric
second.
System, that
Yeah,
person
right.
thought that 1 minute would be 100 seconds in Europe because of the metric system.
Oh, I mean, I can see where the where the mind was going with that one, but I don't.
But
Yeah,
I can't. I mean, sure, but it's still super stupid. Sometimes I think education is illegal in the US.
oh, I don't know, man. I think the US has got some of the smartest people on the planet as well. So it's yeah. I think it's wrong to put everyone in the same like
I mean,
ball. You know.
yeah, sure, it got. I mean, yeah, sure, it got some of the smartest, but it also got some of the dumbest. And I would say, like the smartest people came from somewhere else. Like the smartest people in the US are immigrants. Not native.
I don't know, man. I think it's very narrow-minded. But yeah, sort of. Yeah. I well.
I would reckon, like, yeah, it's easy to say, yeah, the US is. But the US had fair bit of problems with that in the water, and I would think that actually did something to them generational wise. You know what I mean?
No, I just thought it was coming across a bit mad, so I didn't really kind of tuned out a bit. I like to chat shit on people or other things, you know. I'll do it to their face, not behind closed doors.
I get that.
Not that I do. Try not to be a dickhead to people's faces anyway. Way of the Buddha, man. This all comes back to you, man. You just got to be good to everyone.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello, Jerry.
Howdy.
Fucking pitching us. Yeah, man. I don't agree with that way of thinking. It's just like putting everyone into one category. Like, fucking world is just like it's evolution and every. Yeah, I don't know. It's even if there are some like differences and stuff, you don't laugh about it and make fun of certain traits of things. It's just like it's like school ground like mentality there. Like, yeah, I don't know, man. Negative at the end of the day. Something negative, I haven't got time for it. If it's positive, then
I feel like I'm stupid.
yeah. I'm with you on that one. I am stupid, so. Now what have you done now?
No, so I'm thinking of like a tick, right? A tick is
Oh, the Tourette's tick, or no?
no, like time.
Oh
it,
yeah,
like
yeah,
it's like
yeah.
time.
Go.
But for this timer, it's in seconds.
Yeah,
So if I do
yeah. How many milliseconds do you
0.01,
need your tick to be?
that's one. Yeah, it's like the time is 1% of a second, which should be
It's
what?
0.1%. So to get the millisecond count, you need to multiply seconds by 0.1. Wait, no, sorry, 0.001.
01.
Yeah.
Okay.
So 5 seconds.
Because I'm thinking of like a stopwatch,
Well,
how it would do like, it'll get to it'll have like 2 digits, you know.
Yeah. You're trying to do the like the
Yeah,
the
it would
two
be a
digits.
tenth of a second.
Yeah. 10 milliseconds. Yeah. I'm with ya. You
And
could
so
just
that
fake
would
that,
be 60.
though. Wait, what? Okay. Yeah. What I would
Wait,
do.
no.
Yeah. So what I would do for that, so you can get like an integer value that goes from 00 to 99. Oh no, 99. No, 99.
It'd be 59 or well 60.
Oh, you want it to go to 60? Yeah. Okay. Here's what I'll do. I'll whip out a notepad. I don't know your context. I don't know what value.
Yeah, it's just like a timer.
But the tick rate, what's your project tick rate?
I haven't changed it.
I don't know what the default is in Unreal. I know in COD it's like 0.05.
Once every second, I think, or every frame.
What you can do via blueprint that just prints a continuous loop of the
Don't
tick.
forget to use delta seconds with your tick rate.
So I'm about to just blow up my project, but I'm curious, so I'm gonna Tick rate is probably in the project settings actually, so let's go look at that first. It's on every single window apart from the right one. Let's see it. Right. Code. And then let me just do tools. Blueprint. BP. Tick me. Okay, there we go. I got a tick me here. I'm gonna give it some magic. Variables. Tick count. Integer. Then we're gonna do tick count equals tick count add.
Not for now. See you guys.
You what?
I'm gone for now. See you guys.
Are you
Bye-bye.
you the tick guy? Goodbye. Right, it's about to get crazy up in here. Print string. Tick rate. We're gonna see the tick rate in real time. Or we're gonna crash the game. That'll be right. 3. So we can see the tick rate there. 1, 2. 3. It's like it looked like 50 times a second. Maybe I should do I'll do another one inside that function. So let's have a look. Here, if I'm going to play, we're going to do a for loop. And then it's going to do from 0 to 10. And then we're going to do print string index like this.
That just prints them all out at once, right?
No, it's just printing the index. So here I'm going to have a delay that's 1 second. So every second it's going to print a red, an orange, a pink color. And yeah, but then it will constantly be printing the tick rate. So then I can print screen and look at the two. So now you see when it spits out a pink one. I think yeah.
Well, what might be easier, because I saw you're using set timer by function name. You also have set timer by event, and then in there you can plug in a create function or create event, and you can either like create an actual event like begin play or something, or you can also just make a function for it. So instead of having to type the function name, you just click it, like you pick it from a drop down.
Who was that directed at?
I don't know. It's just whoever's trying to get these custom ticking things going on.
That makes no sense to me here. I think it's the same as COD. I think it's 20 a second. So yes, your unless you change the tick rate, you can do 60 divided by 20, and then you'll do iterations of 3 per tick. Get rid of that now. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
I think that works, honestly.
What's that?
I just have it's in seconds, and I said hundredths of a second. So if it crosses 99, which is 100, it'll reset.
Nice.
I don't feel like overthinking it anymore.
Are we doing Love Eyes or something? I want to find a good 360 tour of a factory. Might be a good thing on YouTube, actually. 360 tour old factory. What we got? What do we get? 1970s, 1980. I've literally just asked for something that's like impossible, unless it's a new video. But a 360-degree video off a 1980s factory. 360 tech. It's pretty modern. I really love this.
for my like complete level, I'm doing like a console, like as if you were like typing into a console kind of thing.
Nice.
So that's why I was using the seconds to try to get the time that you took to complete the level. I don't know how people do lighting. It doesn't make sense. Well,
Just
to me
real
at least.
world. Christ. Oh, chill.
Dude, I actually work with lighting in VFX. But yeah, it's hard. It's hard to make
Yeah, that
lighting.
shit don't make no sense. I hate it.
Usually I use a lot of post-processed materials for lighting to cover some weird stuff. And guys, I actually have a question. I was using Unreal 5.7.3 and I got a bug where when I use it absolute word position as a post-process step of the material, I was getting like a displacement of the colors
It's
on absolute
perfect.
word position. So, does anyone know how to undo an Unreal update or something like that?
No. Sorry.
Yeah.
I can't even get my lighting to be performant.
Yeah, I guess I will have to wait. Till they fix this. Damn.
Wait, what was your issue?
Sorry?
What? What was the issue with the warp position?
I was getting a bug where when I used absolute word position inside a post-process material, it was misplacing the colors.
But how do you mean
center.
misplacing the colors? As in, it's not actually the correct warp
Like-
position?
Yeah, it's not correct. Like when I saw the preview on the material, the colors were exactly on the center, and when I hit the play button on my game, it was changing the position of the colors like by the camera position. The camera position was having an influence on that.
Wait, I'm I'm Oh my god, recreating it here.
Yeah.
Boost,
Are you
quick volume.
are you using Unreal 5.7.3?
5.7 at least.
I was getting this.
5.7.2, but
Yeah, I don't quite remember having it when I was using 0.7.3.2.
yeah. So here it's stable.
Yeah, I have a print screen of the issue.
I do love ice. The best way to set up roads right now, we're using spline meshes that landscape deforms to. We figured
I
out
sent
in
it
systems
here
memory.
on the chat.
Roads are a bitch. Like, I think
Yeah, it's like
spline
Like the
meshes is the way to go.
gizmo is on the absolute center of the
You
word,
get a bit of
and the
fun with a
rest
really smart
and the colors position are
smart mesh that
by the
does the
side of the-
intersections. But
oh.
yeah, you can
Oh,
Yeah,
wait,
set
so
up
you
a
just
smart
output it like this, right?
spline that automates
Yeah, I
the
just-
intersections, but
yeah.
Oh wait,
I
let's
don't really
not do
know
it like that.
what the best thing to do. We're gonna have to have the same problem to resolve in our game.
I wasn't even getting the colors to explode. I didn't even the saturation node correctly.
Huh.
Yeah, your absolute word position is okay. Mine, when I turn the camera, goes crazy, changing its position.
You
think
don't
it's,
happen to have set this to camera relative world position, right?
No. Yeah, it's doing this effect, but I'm using the first one. The one that ignores
Cool.
material displacement and stuff. Damn, that's trippy.
Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes post-processing just be like that.
My guess is that it's a 0.7.3 issue. I don't know if they fixed something, then it got worse on the absolute word position, because I saw this a discussion about it on Unreal Reddit, and then it was 2 years ago, and now it came back in this update.
Oh man, imagine if every single one of these claymores would actually like end your game.
Nice. It didn't bump me to AFK. I was gone long, just enough. What's everyone doing?
Good fucking
Nothing.
question. When I figure that out, I'll tell you.
Okay.
I don't know. You know, I'm trying to work on a level, but getting a bit distracted with fun bits. Added a big wheel into my mechanical room. What about yourself?
I made a sandwich, so I'm eating it now.
Oh, what type of sandwich? What are we talking?
Roast beef and cheese.
Very good.
Nothing
Very
too
nice.
epic.
Alright, got a new.
Hey, speaking of food, I need to make some lunch for me.
That's a good shout. Might have to do that as well.
See you later.
Peace. Oh my god. I need to change. I need to fix it so the AI is not setting off all the bloody traps in this game. It's kind of hilarious. Sounds like there's bloody World War II going on when you're walking around my level at the moment, because all the gremlins are bloody setting off all the claymores. Here he goes. You need them to re-trigger effects after they've been. Oh.
I'm just gonna mute myself. I'm not chewing in your ear.
Nice. I might go take a break and get some food, stretch the legs, go scream at a wall. I mean, stretch my lungs, and then, yeah, jump back into working on this puppy. Catch you guys in a bit. Bye bye.
Bye.
I joined an empty call on the Unreal Discord. Just talking to myself, and yeah, 8 of us then in the end in there. Pretty cool. Kind of like doing that rather than talking to myself too much, talking to actual other humans, because I seem to learn things as well. Sometimes the discussions go a little bit like off piece, and then like that one guy that was saying some pretty obscene stuff, and then yeah, I don't like that. I like things being funny and educational. That's silly, but yeah, not offensive and I don't know, poor taste. But yeah, I think I probably will, when I'm working on this project, be chilling in random Unreal Discords a bit more, just to get don't know, information is a bit more educational, I guess. At least for me. It's a bit weird that when I get hit by the bookshelf and die, my character seems to like be deaded. It didn't damage me then. No, what I mean is it seems to delete my character mesh rather than have me like just yeeted. I want to put something really tempting, a bit of parkour. I don't know if you want parkour in a game. Quite like it. I think it needs to be high risk. High risk, medium reward, no high reward. Kind of love this wheel. I don't know if the reveal is too like binary. It needs to be more like gradular. Like if I oh yeah, launch character. So I copy that somehow. Yeah, like I said in that chat, I am going to go get some munch in, and yeah, made some interesting steps. Don't know if forward is the right word. It definitely is forward. Bit sideways step in on the level, just to get an idea of what I want to do. I quite like that, like deeper down there's some bigger rooms. And yeah, I like a mechanical room. I think we need to play on the mechanical aspect a bit more, because that's where the lore of Gremlins originates from, which is British RAF pilots believing in there being little things that are messing with their engines, and yeah, coming up with the term gremlin. And yeah, so that's like kind of the lore here for this specific level. There's a giant factory mechanical like attraction for these gremlins that have brought them here, and they found their way to this grandma's house, and they're starting to like mess up stuff in their house. So yeah, they need to do a lot more. At the moment, they're doing like about 20% of what I want them to do. So yeah, but yeah, testing lots of things here. Testing ceiling heights, testing entrance sizes, testing verticality differences, testing like room to door to hallway ratios, testing trap placements and quantities, and yeah, testing some of the very basic prototype hazards. So I need to get more movement in this level. I need to get more refine some of the layout a bit more, add some propping so that we can have an idea of what it would look like. And then work on the lighting a little bit, because at the moment it's just this like hazy kind of smokiness and then no other lighting, and that's not the intended look. So yeah, but keep working on it. I might put this one on hold for now till more of the AI mechanics get in, and then work on propping some of the other levels, because I got a list of things that I want to do, and propping this level is one of them. Doing a lighting pass on the town is another. Doing a lighting pass on this level, yes, is another. Doing block out for the gun store, for the police station, for the garage, for the town council, which might actually be part of the police station. And then, so I'll probably do like a shared town council or town office and police station. Then the boatyard, work on that a bit more, and then the factory, to work on that a bit more. So yeah, that is my tasks for this week. We have 5 days to do those. But I have more to do, so yes, some art to place and fix, all sorts. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. I will catch you on the next one, whenever that is. Yeah, take it easy. See you later. Oh, wait, before I go, let me do a short video. I'll just do a quick like YouTube short type thing. Wait, I need to post this image there, and then let me get rid of them. Right, let me play this. Yeah, we'll do that real quick. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our project. This is a prototype that we're putting together. We've been working on for just under 4 weeks now, and we just got under 4 weeks left to complete it. It's an online co-op rogue-lite adventure game, and I'm working on one of the first mission levels at the moment, working out what we like, what we don't like, and getting some placeholder content in. They're still early days, and yeah, liking how it's going so far. But yeah, I'm doing this all live on YouTube, so if you want to come join me, watch this thing get created in Unreal Engine, and come join me for the ride. Other than that, catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye. That'll do for one. Well, the music might have been a bit loud there, but it's alright. So yeah, I'm building this level using a modular system that I created, which is basically a set of ceilings, floors, stairs, walls, and it allows me to work on a very high grid of 128 or 156 actually, and quickly assemble a level. And then having all the pivot points in the right place allows me to quickly build stuff around, and then also have the confidence knowing that things are going to line up when I go to connect them. So I went to connect this room back up like this. I can go like that, and then I might be like, oh no, I wanted a door there. Don't worry, it's fine. We got a door. But hey, maybe we need a floor there. Don't worry, that is also on the grid. And yeah. And then you might think, oh, actually I want a ceiling. So you can grab the floor, move that up, replace it with the ceiling, and you got a ceiling. And next thing you know, you're in a level already, made in 2 seconds. So yeah, making this modular system is allowing me to have really fast iterations on the level design, coming up with a scale for everything. So hopefully we build a level that works really well. So yeah, come join me on the live stream to see more. Right, I think I'll do for a couple shorts at the end of the stream. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you on the next one.